This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS application. Get 30% off on being first 200 sign-ups. Get the link from description.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel we talk everything about WordPress, and today we are going to see how you can edit your sidebar in website. So in your sidebar you can add links, images, or you can add custom text, whatever you want on it. So to do that we will go to our home dashboard and we'll go to plugin and click on add new. And to do this we will need plugin from Black Studio. So here you will see the plugin Tinymice widget. Click on install and click on activate. After activating you will see it in your appearance, then your widget. So in this widget you can see that you can edit footer, sidebar, and if you do not want any widget you can put it in inactive widgets. So go to your sidebar and click on add visual editor. So this is your Tinymice widget, and to edit it we will go with editing with seeing that effect. So we will go to customize and then to widget, and then on sidebar we can simply add visual editor. So this is a simple editor. As you can see, you can add in title and add in the text. So I'll go with title. Most loved item, and then you can add the media also. And you can add the text. And you can even add a link like this, and then hit on publish. You can see the effect is already drawn here. So this link you can unlink it, and it doesn't look that catchy, so I'll remove it and simply type in link. and I will add link of this product. Go to insert link and then click on apply. So the link is now active. So anyone can just click on this link and will be directed to this page, just like this. This is how you can add your custom items here, whatever you want in your sidebar. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Educate WordPress.